Well, good morning. Welcome to another Casual Financial Friday. My name is Matthew Atkins, Senior Financial Advisor with Clearbrook Investment Management. And as you can see, I'm sitting down in some beautiful spot. I'm actually down here celebrating the lives of a couple of good friends of mine. We're down in the Coachella Valley, Palm Springs, Rancho Mirage, doing one of the things that I love to do absolutely the most, which is golf. You know, I've mentioned last week this is Life Insurance Awareness Month. And life insurance is really about being able to do things with the people you love and being able to take care of the people you love. A lot of people don't understand the financial benefits of life insurance. I want to tell you a quick story. Just a year ago now, my father passed away. And my mom and dad had a life insurance policy that actually prior to that time, even before he was diagnosed, they'd got notified that it was going to lapse. And the reason it was lapsed is because the returns on that universal life policy weren't very good, or whole life policy, I guess it was an older policy. And so they seriously considered just letting it go. I sat down with them and talked them out of doing that. We kept that in force. Now, there's a couple ways to do that. And in our case, we just went ahead and paid the increased premiums to make sure that life insurance policy was enforced. And as it turned out, it was a great blessing to my mom. There are also people who will buy that policy so it doesn't lapse. And so if you have people who have older policies that might be coming to a place where maybe they're not able to keep paying their own premiums and you're not sure if you want to pay the increased premium, you should really contact somebody like me and make sure that there's not an opportunity for you to sell that policy and get the cash value benefit and the death benefit, partial of the death benefit, out to you. There's some wonderful opportunities in that way. You know, as a result of doing that, my mom was able to be a little bit more comfortable after my dad passed away. And, you know, when I think about life insurance, I think about that kind of thing. Protecting, providing comfort for the people who remain. It also did something else though, because we did this big garage sale. My dad was a big woodworker, and so we put a bunch of stuff in from his shop into a garage sale, and my mom made a few $1,000s, and she decided as a result of that money that she wanted to take me and my three brothers and our spouses all to Hawaii together. And so we're not only going to be able to take care of my mom better, but because she has that nest egg, she was able to take some money from another source and do something that she really wanted to do, which is bless the living and to make more memories now. And that's really what life insurance is about. I think about my wife, and I think if I were to pass away, what I hope for is that she's able to take care of herself, but she's also able to do something with our kids and our grandkids where they get to go build memories and continue to live life. So life insurance isn't just about death benefit. It's about also creating the life for the people after death that you love and care for. There's also many other benefits we're going to talk about next week. And I mentioned last week, it's in my mind, one of the most powerful financial tools that there is around. And so I'd like to talk to you about it. And it's kind of a precursor to that. You might think about, you know, the real values of creating, for example, IRAs and 401ks and Roth IRAs, and thinking about tax deferred versus tax free, and how powerful that can be when you get into your retirement years. So I hope you have a great weekend. I know I'm going to have a great weekend. We're going to be playing a bunch of golf, and I hope, to be honest, I beat everybody, even though it's their birthdays. Have a great weekend. Talk to you soon.